Hey everybody, this video brings us back out to Dollywood for our last day of our honeymoon. We are going to spend it here in Dollywood riding some of our favorite attractions. Now that we've done this for like 2 days in a row, we know what rides we want to redo, what things we want to re-see, what food we want to re-eat. We're going to do some of our favorites today here at Dollywood. I'm thinking though, before we do any attractions or anything like that, we should probably get some lunch, right? Yes. Let's get some lunch. Okay, so I went with the plain Jane burger and French fries, which looks way better than the burger I got the other day at the quick service restaurant. That was not all that good. We got some pimento cheese with the pork rinds, and you went with fried green tomatoes. You know, I've never actually seen anybody.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
I know people who like fried green tomatoes. I've never actually seen anybody eat a fried green tomato, though.
Jam and balsamic or something.
They look pretty. I mean, they look pretty good.
Mix it with the pimento cheese.
Oh, pimento cheese and fried green tomatoes. Oh, all right. Well, I'm starving. I'm gonna dive in. All right, so you're picking up the shirt, but do we also need to get stickers as well? I'm thinking you need the Just Dill with its stickers, because we all know how much you love your pickles. So you're gonna get that for your Jeep?
Yes.
And I'm thinking, to keep it the food theme, I should get the I Heart Chicky Nuggies, because let's face it, I do heart Chicky Nuggies.
It's
so
a Chicky Nuggie heart.
Are we gonna get these for the van and for the Jeep?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, we gotta pick these up. Dolly Duck. I don't know, what do you think? Should I go full country? Thinking maybe.
I love
maybe I should
it.
go full country.
I love it. It looks so good.
I think I'm gonna get it. Wait a minute, are we both going full country now? Or are you gonna get yourself a cowgirl hat? That's a pretty awesome hat. It looks good. It is a good look. But if we're gonna get the hats, then I feel like we gotta get the stickers too, because
I do like that sticker.
we have definitely gone country. Yeah, I'm thinking this was a good idea. I like it. I've gone full country. I think I may have just found the scariest thing here at Dollywood. What the heck is that? Y'all know what our first ride of the day has to be, right? Whoa, what is this hat doing to me? Y'all know what our first ride of the day has to be, right? Gotta do Blaze and Fury, the best attraction here at Dollywood.
Week back or not, Luther, here I come.
Looks like you've been kipping that steam train.
Swift, there's only 2 attractions that we get on today. It had to be Blazing Fury, because that's the greatest attraction here at Dollywood, obviously. But the other attraction really has me surprised, because this is not my choice. This is your choice, and you don't even really like roller coasters. And honestly, this is not a crazy coaster, but it's not really a tame coaster either.
It's like the best one out of all
you
of
want to
them.
get on Big Bear Mountain.
It's nice and low to the ground.
Is that-
very smooth?
You know, I'm beginning to think it's not necessarily the coasters itself, it's the height thing you don't like,
I don't
maybe.
like the height ones and the drops, but also
All right.
I don't like the really rattly ones. Like they hurt
This
my
is
neck.
pretty smooth.
This one
So
is like pleasant.
we're getting on Big Bear Mountain again.
Yes.
I'm not going to say no to a roller coaster. All right. We're getting on Big Bear Mountain. Wow, I can't believe it. Not only did you have your eyes open the entire time, but you almost kind of sort of put your hands up for most of the attraction.
I'm a big girl.
Still your favorite right here?
It's favorite roller coaster.
Favorite roller coaster. All
I
right.
was very worried my hair bows were gonna fall out. Though.
But they didn't. She actually enjoys the roller coasters so much, she's picking up a t-shirt. That's a pretty cool t-shirt. I like it.
And youth sizing. So it's cheaper.
All right. I feel like I gotta get a Blazing Fury shirt now.
You do. They don't have a gift shop by there.
That's our new goal for today.
find a Blazing
Find
Fury.
Blazing Fury merchandise.
No, that ain't it. There she goes. That's not any. Wait.
Dollywood just got 10 times more awesome. They actually have Asher's chocolate here. This is really cool. This is made in Souderton, Pennsylvania, not too far away from where I used to live. In fact, the Asher's factory, I used to drive past it every now and then. That is really cool to see here in Tennessee, something from Pennsylvania. Once again, another little bit of Pennsylvania here in Tennessee. I I like that. So what do you think? Should we make our own glass ornament or glass pumpkin?
Yeah.
I'm thinking maybe we should. Okay, so we have decided to make a pumpkin, not an ornament. So what do you want to do? Like that?
Yeah, like this speckled orange and then like a black stem.
Okay. Yeah. That works. We can pick all of these colors, but well, 3 of any of these colors, right?
I think
So yeah, let's go with that. And then black stem.
Yes.
I like that. Okay, so we've chosen a mouthpiece. We actually get to blow our own pumpkin. This is pretty cool.
I've always wanted to blow glass.
You finally get to
I never
blow
got to
glass.
do it in art school.
Well, now you get to do it here at Dollywood.
And then now that it's nice and hot, I'm going to dip it into this little cup on the floor that we call an optical mold. That's what's going to give the pumpkin all its ridges. And then I'm going to blow the beginning of the bubble for you. And after that, it's up to you. There we go. Keep going.
That is awesome. So cool.
And there we go. There is your
Oh my gosh, that is so awesome. That is amazing. So cool. There was absolutely no way we weren't gonna get more cinnamon bread today. This is our 3rd loaf of cinnamon bread in the last 3 days. We've literally got a loaf every single day. We got the loaf the first day, a loaf last night, and then we're back. Yeah, this is why we're also gonna weigh like 600 pounds by the time we get back to Florida, but you know what? Worth it.
This time I got apple
Ooh,
butter.
apple butter. All right,
Dipping sauce.
we'll have to try some of that too. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. It literally just came out of the oven. They were making these as we were in there. And this is why we've had 3 of these. Oh my gosh. That is so good. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for our fun here at Dollywood, where apparently tonight we will be camping because there is one way in and one way out. And as you can see, it is completely flooded. So none of us are going anywhere for a very, very long time. And the rain is starting back up. So if you guys enjoyed watching this video, be sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, check down below for links to Patreon and Spreadshirt, hit that join button and become a member of this channel. And if you guys watch this video all the way until the very end, hashtag flash flood at Dollywood. And if I ever get out of here, I will see you guys in the next video. Wish me luck. Bye.